Hi friends, our next live session for all of our AI course enrolled students will be on the 21st of February, which is the coming Sunday at 7 p.m. As usual, this is a live session that's accessible to all of our students via our desktop app, and we will use Slack for all the chat during the discussion itself. Now, the topic that we will discuss this time is called Vision Transformer. This is a very interesting research paper which has been on archive for about 3 months now in various versions. The most recent version of this paper, which is also peer reviewed, is from Jan 2021. So this is a very recent research paper that we will review, understand and see how to implement. Okay, to give you some brief about this, the Vision Transformer's original paper title is An Image is Worth 16 cross 16 Words. This is Transformers for Image Recognition at Scale with a bunch of researchers. Most of these people are at Google Research. It's a very interesting paper because while there have been other papers which have tried to use transformers for computer vision tasks, this paper does it without using any convolutional layers. This is almost a pure transformer which works for computer vision tasks, especially things like image recognition on ImageNet data and things like that. So it's a very interesting, very recent paper. So we will try and dive deep into this and understand various aspects of this paper. Again, if you have time and bandwidth, please feel free to read at least the abstract and introduction of this research paper before you come to the live session. But in case you don't have time, that's okay. We will try and cover it in lots of detail. Now, before you come to this live session, please understand transformers in depth, because we would assume that you already know transformers in the context of NLP tasks, because we will not be able to explain what a transformer is in this session. We have done tons of sessions on transformers, various varieties of transformers, including a deep dive code walkthrough of implementing a transformer from scratch. We have done that already in previous live sessions and in course videos. Here we will assume that you know all of it and then proceed. Now in this live session, first we will cover the underlying architecture and the underlying mathematics in depth. Then we will understand the key ideas and contributions of this research paper, because this research paper is published in ICLR 2021, where the review of some of the peers who have reviewed this research paper are also present, publicly available. It's an open access review methodology. So we can see what are the key ideas, what other top researchers who have reviewed this research paper think about it. We will go and dive deep into all the experiments and what sort of experiments were successful and what were not so successful. We will also touch upon the limitations of this research paper. Again, we believe that while this is an interesting research paper, the transformers for computer vision still have some way to go before they become state of the art. Or again, this paper is pretty good. It has its own limitations, but for transformers to be widely used in computer vision, probably we are maybe 12 to 18 months away from it, with few more research papers in between. But this is a very important and seminal paper because it is a pure transformer without convolutional layers for computer vision tasks. Again, we'll also point you some code which Google has published, TensorFlow code and Keras code. We will try and go through it at a high level too, because it's a very simple code. The architecture itself is simple if you understand how transformers work. But we will make an assumption that you understand transformers in depth before you attend this session. Again, all course enrolled students of the Applied AI course, see you at 7 p.m. on the 21st of February via our desktop app.